Hey class, happy Wednesday. This is our language arts video. So the only thing you have for spelling today is the spelling test, which is on our lives, our 12:30 live. For writing, let me put my pen down for a minute. For writing, I'll show you what you're doing. You're just doing the politics page. So up here is pretty self-explanatory. You're figuring out which political party he was part of and the vice president or presidents that he had. On the bottom, so a lot of these are self-explanatory, but the one I really wanted to point out was where it says ordinal number. It's that second blank. So what it means is, like, was he the first president, second president, third, fourth, fifth, so on. He was the 16th president. So you're going to write 16th and then the TH. So it should look like 16th, like that. Okay? And that's all you have to do today for writing. All right, for grammar today, it says diagram the subject and verb or verb phrase of each compound sentence. So I'm going to show you the whole sentence, but I'm going to show you the part that's required first, okay? Because I want you to see how the whole sentence would run together. So it says, Jose plays tennis, but his sister plays soccer. This is number one. Now, an important thing to keep in mind is where it says compound sentence. So compound sentence means there's more than one, but they're put together. So it makes one sentence, but there's two parts that could be their own sentences. So we have the one part, Jose plays tennis, and the second part, his sister plays soccer. And it's connected by a conjunction, okay? So let's keep that in mind. So it's going to be, let's look at Jose plays tennis first. Our subject is what? Jose. What does Jose do? He plays. And what does he play? Tennis, not soccer. So the part that it's looking for right now is just Jose plays. And then the second part, what is this? The subject, sister. And what does the sister do? The sister plays. Okay? And those are, what are those connected by? What word? The word but. So just like before, you would connect it with a conjunction. However, there are two separate lines. So you know how usually with the subjects, if there are two subjects, you would do this? Well, there are two full sentences connected by a conjunction. So you do Jose plays tennis, his sister plays soccer, and those two separate sentences are connected by a conjunction, okay? Now I want to show you really quick the rest of it. So we know that he plays tennis and she plays soccer. And it's his sister. So if you wanted the full sentence, this is what it would look like. Jose plays tennis and his sister plays soccer. Okay? We're going to look at number 2 now. So number 2, the two parts of it are Dad reads many books and his favorite author is Jules Verne. Okay? So let's start it out. I'm going to get my two lines together. Because remember, it's like two separate sentences connected. So the first one, Dad. Dad is the subject. What does he do? He reads. Okay? The second part, his favorite author is Jules Verne. What is the subject? The subject is author. Now, the verb may look a little tricky, but the verb on this one is. That is a being verb. Remember, the author is being something. And what are those connected by? Those are connected by and. So what you need to do on this sheet is say, Dad reads and author is. Now, I want to show you the full sentence, okay? So Dad reads books. How many books? Many. I know you can't read it right now. And then author is Jules Verne. And then if you have two describing words, whether it be his or favorite, so it could be a pronoun or it could be an actual adjective, this is what it would look like. So it should say, Dad reads many books. Dad reads books. How many? Many. And connect with the conjunction. His favorite author. So the subject is author, and the two describing things are his and favorite. And then is, who is it or what is it? Jules Verne. Okay? So again, all you need to have is, this is all you need to have. Dad reads, author is, and then connect it, those should be dotted with and. That's all that's required, but I wanted to show you, in case you are curious, how you would break down the entire sentence, okay?